Hello, this is the AlertA amplified analog telephone ringer. It's suitable for businesses, offices, warehouses, factories, farms and the hearing impaired. It comes complete with a 3-meter telephone line cord and a DC plug pack with a 1.8 meter cord. It has an internal speaker and internal LED lights. The telephone line socket, the volume control, the pluggable external strobe and speaker connections, the DC connector with a DC cable strain relief hook. There's also a pitch control and dip switches. It's wall mountable using a standard wall foam plate that hook onto the keyhole slots, or 2 single screws set 10 centimeters apart vertically, or you could use 1 single screw. It can be connected in parallel with an analog telephone, either using a double adapter or a dedicated parallel socket. Okay, this is going to be a demonstration of the operation of the AlertA amplified analog telephone ringer. It has an internal speaker and built-in LED visual indication. For this application we can remove the pluggable external strobe and speaker connection. It's not required at the moment. The next thing we do is connect the 12-volt DC plug pack by inserting it into the right-hand DC connector, and then run the cable through the strain relief hook under the unit. I have a telephone line that's connected in parallel with a standard analog telephone that's inserted on the right hand side. We then connect the DC plug pack to a suitably placed 240 volt outlet. Then, when the phone rings, the volume can be adjusted down or up. This will be approximately 98 decibels from the internal speaker. The pitch can also be adjusted. Okay, if we wish to increase the volume of the AlertA amplified telephone ringer to approximately 102 decibels and or include an external strobe unit, we use the pluggable external strobe and speaker connector, and it's necessary to use a 2mm flat bladed screwdriver to adjust those fixing screws. I've subsequently previously connected a external speaker and a DC strobe to the connector. It is very important that the speaker be connected to pins 3 and 4, or the right hand side of the connector, and not pins 1 and 2, as damage will be done to the speaker and or the AlertA unit if done so. We just plug the external connector into the bottom of the unit, and then when the phone rings, thank you.